Hello, my name is Jason. This is my presentation for the Python 3 Pygame final project. Ignore that.
Okay.
This project was inspired by my love for cars. Uh, uh, Cars have been like a favorite thing for me for a long time, especially the NA Miata. Uh, some of the uh, some of the
Concepts.
concepts
Yep.
used in this project I learned in or some of the concepts I learned this in this class that I use in this project are buttons and sprites. Buttons are pretty self-explanatory. You basically have a sprite that is a button, and then you can make it so when you click that button it like does stuff in your game. And then sprites are just images, also pretty self-explanatory, right? Which, yeah. Um, some examples of code in this project or in my project, like the class for buttons to for challenge system that has not been finished, and then the class for the player character and opponent character, which neither have been finished. Uh,
Okay. Yeah, so just alt press escape and then alt tab to your thing. Yeah, perfect.
there you
Okay.
go. So,
I think it's running already, yeah.
yes, and this is. Wait, I should relaunch it so they can see the guide going away.
hmm
This is it currently. You can do that and go in reverse. The buttons do not work, unfortunately. Uh,
hmm So
well,
so how is the game supposed to work?
uh, you're supposed to just be able to like just drive around and stuff, and then at random, someone might like drive next to you, and then this accept challenge button will show up. And then if you click no, nothing happens and they just disappear eventually. And if you click yes, then the game sets you in like on a starting line side with a timer and stuff.
hmm
Hopefully, eventually.
Yeah. Okay. All right, cool. So let's go back to the presentation then.
Right. Uh, er, Favorite part about working on this project was being able to make my own racing game. Uh, I play a lot of other racing games that are definitely higher quality.
Yeah.
If I were to continue or um some ways I could improve this or literally just finish it
Yeah.
are opponents that work that don't just run away.
hmm
Probably more black backgrounds because blue on green like sky and grass, but pretty bland and like makes the and also to make the accept challenge buttons and the racing like all that work.
hmm
Thank you. This is the end of the presentation.
All right, perfect. All right, good job, Jason.